In 2019, we were all going about our lives in what we considered a normal way, the nonstop, fast-paced work, eat, sleep, repeat routine. And then that all came to an unexpected halt. The pandemic changed everything.
These past few years have really made everyone take stock of themselves and their work. It's brought us back to core principles and to thinking about our primary purpose. At Tarkett, we know that our purpose is to create flooring that's good for people and the planet. We had the time and opportunity to pay closer attention to things that mattered to us. We started looking more deeply into nature, and when we did, it reminded us of something incredibly important. That nature has the remarkable ability to heal. When the world was collectively paused, we noticed a resurgence of cleaner air, a reduction in water and noise pollution. We wanted to explore nature's ability to restore itself and us to a healthier balance. This is the genesis of the Inspired Nature Collection, a carbon-neutral flooring collection.
Surrounded by the grandeur of the natural world, we have all experienced that sense of awe and wonder. Nature comforts us, heals us, connects us to what matters, inspires us to find our unique balance. We wanted to bring that feeling indoors with flooring that supports people and nature holistically. Designed with these biophilic ideas in mind, you can use Inspired Nature to help create spaces where people feel empowered to find their balance and perform at their best. The collection features carpet and LVT working well on their own or in tandem. We created the Inspired Nature patterns to reflect the feelings you get when you're in a wide open landscape, humbled but simultaneously comforted. With Painted Desert, we look to the American West, to a huge vista of wind-worn canyons. Tundra Flower reminds us that there are no barren landscapes, life is everywhere. A subtle grid with organic elements layered in it like seedlings piercing clay. Sky Atlas looks to the amorphous shapes of clouds as they transform themselves across the sky. Metamorphic LVT provides a hard surface counterpoint that's cool and calming.
Inspired Nature's patterns can be used to define functionality within your space. Dynamic areas for activity and collaboration, and quieter spaces for concentration. The palette for the collection is drawn from the earth and sky. The colors can be used together or individually to create a natural landscape tailored to your interior. A carbon-neutral solution, Inspired Nature helps you create flexible spaces that invoke a sense of calm, a feeling of balance and comfort, freedom and inspiration, the feelings that nature helps us find for ourselves. Find your nature with Tarkett.